Begin by inspecting the door gap, ensuring it's even at the top, middle, and bottom. The ideal gap is around 1/8 inch for proper latch function. Next, close the door and use a pencil to mark where the latch bolt contacts the strike plate. This mark reveals the direction and extent of any misalignment. To adjust the strike plate, first loosen the screws that secure it to the door frame. Next, reposition the plate slightly up, down, in, or out to align it with the pencil mark indicating where the latch bolt contacts the frame. Tighten the screws to secure the adjusted strike plate in its new position. Finally, test the door by closing and locking it to ensure the latch engages smoothly without sticking. Door sagging can cause misalignment of the latch. Shimming the hinges corrects this by lifting or leveling the door. Shims are thin pieces of wood or cardboard inserted behind the hinges on the door frame or door itself. Start with the bottom hinge, as it bears the most weight and needs the most adjustment. Insert the shim behind the hinge to lift the door slightly. This reduces the gap at the bottom. This adjustment realigns the door and improves latch engagement, ensuring smooth operation. For Schlage deadbolts, you can adjust the latch bolt itself to compensate for minor misalignments. Rotate the faceplate on the door edge or adjust internal screws to extend or retract the bolt slightly. Avoid forcing the door to prevent damage. Use a screwdriver for adjustments. Consult your Schlage installation manual for your specific model for detailed instructions. Smart locks, such as the Schlage Encode Plus or Connect, may display error codes indicating misalignment through the Schlage Home app. Use the app's diagnostics to identify the specific issue, such as misalignment or connectivity problems. Firmware bugs can also cause issues, so ensure your smart lock firmware is updated. If needed, combine digital troubleshooting with physical adjustments to the lock components. Sticking latches can often be resolved with lubrication. Apply graphite powder to the latch bolt and strike plate. This dry lubricant prevents sticking without attracting dirt. Avoid oil as it attracts dirt and can worsen the problem. Oil-based lubricants can gum up the mechanism over time. Temperature and humidity changes can cause wood swelling, exacerbating sticking. Regular lubrication and adjustments can mitigate these effects. Poor initial installation is the primary cause of most Schlage latch problems, leading to misalignment, sticking, and hard locking. Always ensure correct installation tolerances with an ideal 1/8 inch gap between the door and frame at the top, middle, and bottom. Regularly inspect and adjust the latch and strike plate to catch issues early. Check for wear, alignment, and consistent gaps. Use measurements to verify proper positioning. For Schlage smart locks, monitor battery health through the app and ensure firmware is regularly updated for optimal performance and security. By following these preventive maintenance steps, you can ensure smooth door operation, reduce wear on components, and prevent future latch problems.